Hello everyone, my name is David Sanchez and today we are going to talk about the unit number 4 in doing action research, and its name is Observing the Results of the Plan. So here we go, and I'm going to tell you what the unit is about, and I'm going to provide some tools for the analysis of your data. And here we go with the unit. You have to be prepared for analyzing maybe quantitative or qualitative data, and I'm going to provide tools for each group of data. The first one is the qualitative data, and these are the tools for this category. Categorizing your information means putting things in the group they belong to, something that human beings do naturally and in the everyday life. And then we have the analyzing task, is when you go to the field to get some information and you have to record it. Categorizing can be done through a deductive way or in an inductive way. Deductive way is when the researchers, based on the literature or the theory that claims the problems you are trying to solve, create the categories. And inductive way is when the researcher sees the problem from the perspective of the people involved in the action research project. And then we have coding your data, means putting more emphasis in the themes or issues that really matter for your explanation, for your analysis of the action research project. And then we have the analyzing task is this. As you can see it in the picture, this is the researcher, and this is a person involved in the process. So you have to record through these maybe technological tools the voice, what he says about the problem. And then we go to the quantitative data analysis. I'm going to provide the tools for this. You can use statistics, you can use percentages, averages, and frequencies to demonstrate in numbers the problem. We have the first one, the numerical scale. It's when you have the number of the people interviewed and the gender they belong to. And at the end you have the total. This is the numerical scale. The ordinal is, you are maybe familiar with this because teachers do this frequently, like ordering the grades of the students from the first to the last, or from the best to the worst grade. And then we have the interval. It's when you give choices to the people interviewed to obtain or to gain some more specific details. And then we have the measures of central tendency are the mean, the median, and the mode. Then we go to the measures of dispersions, is the range, and it's the standard deviation, how the numbers, as you can see here, how the numbers vary from the mean. This is the center point. And then we have validity. It's an important issue to talk about, because validity means that your research is solid and it's enough strong to support or stand up review from your colleagues or peers. And then we go with 4 issues you need to take in account for the validity of your action research project. And the first is keeping in your mind that the information you will get is important for you as researchers and for the people who is involved in the problem. They are the ones who suffer the problem, so you need to get information in order to solve the problem. And then we go with the types of information and the resources, or the sources you get it from. And it's important to get information from different sources. They offer a different point of view, they offer a different perception of the problem, so it is important for you also to take into account. And then immerse yourself in the data analysis. Means that you not only read. This is the first step you do when you have the analysis or a bunch of information, but then you read, and then you are completely immersed and you understand what the problem is and what the causes are and the consequences of it as well. And then we have a recommendation for you, because in this step many researchers tend to give up or to frustrate because they don't know what to do with the information that doesn't belong to the categories they have built. And we recommend you to not stop. Go ahead and get information you need and explain the problem and help people to resolve situation. And at the end you will have the doubts clear, you will have the misconceptions disappear, and you will have perceptions in a different way. You will think more aware, you will be conscious of the problem and how to solve them. So thank you for watching me. This is all, and see you next.